guys, welcome to Salah's Chop. We're gonna start working on my car now. For haven't worked on it in a couple months because it was cold and I've been lazy. Also, it's still in the same place where I left it at, and nothing has changed since the last startup I did. Haven't tried to start up again or worked on it again. But we're gonna be doing today is working all on the suspension and also brakes. We're gonna replace the brakes on it, probably upgrade them with bigger brakes. I have had a kit for like past 10 years and it fits the CRX, so we're gonna install it. Why not, right? But yeah, let's get at it, and don't forget, please like and subscribe. Right now what I'm doing, it's the lower ball joints. I already did the driver's side, and my friend Preston the new bearings, the wheel hub bearings. Shout out to LS Factory. Anybody that needs their car fixed, contact my boy Carlos Castillo Blanco the 5th. And we also installed the extended lug studs. Lug studs. Yeah, lug studs. But yeah, so we're gonna get at it. And I can't forget to install the dust cover on that. But after I do this one, I'll install it. So it's the dust cover. All I'm gonna do is pry it slowly so it doesn't get. There you go. Easy, right? My buddy spray painted them, so it has a little bit like residue of paint right here, so I'm just sanding a little bit off of it. That's it. Nice and smooth. Oh, can't forget my gloves. Yeah, put them gloves on. Also, shout out to my boy that sold me these gloves at Napa here in the little town of Cornell. If anybody wants anything, hit him up. His name is yeah, that's his name, I forget. So let's keep on doing this. So you guys need a bearing press, C-clamp kit, pretty much. I got one right here. I mean, the ball joint press. That's what I got. It's made in China. Part number, I think you can see it. It's right there. There's a cotter pin, and the little safety ring goes right here in the bottom. C-clamp. So that's how I did it. Looks like it's hitting. Oh. There's a little lip right there, so it could slide down and not hit. And you need it's a 22 to tighten it for the C-clamp. That is it for that. Put that back in a bit. So now comes the hard part, is group C. I mean, I have this tool right here, but it's not the best. Let me see. We don't got them expensive snap-on tools, right? We got them. I think I bought this at Napa. It's just too. It's not. Doesn't spread it all the way out. There you go. Snap ring ding. Put this in so I don't lose it. Cotter pin so I don't lose it also. Just twist it. Have it ready. Okay, now before I forget, like I did with my other one, let's put this in. So this one. Yeah, was this one? Yeah, it was that one. There it is. Fully installed now, guys. Now let's do the extended lug studs. So pretty much the way I'm installing them is just putting them through this here, but I did have to shave like pretty much the side of it so it could slide in, because like that. I know I should have installed them when the hub was off, but you know, just being impatient. So yeah, that's how it is, guys. Now to install them, pretty much I did it with the washers the last time. Now that's it, guys. They're installed. Them extended studs. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna actually track it, so but it's just for show, pretty much. Let's get on with the other stuff. All right, so one thing else that we're gonna install on the car is I think it's called the track bar, and I got it from Innovative Mounts. Well, technically I purchased it through Amazon, but because it was a little cheaper than the other places that I was finding, and free shipping, right? So why not? So I want to try and install it. So I really don't know what I'm doing on this side, so yeah. So this is what it came with. 4 bolts. Those are gonna be the ones that connect on the, probably on the knuckles. Wait, do they connect on the knuckles? No, they connect on that right there, pretty much. So it's this side. So this side goes like this, goes right here, and then these are for this. Those are the ones that are mounted here. You have to reuse those bolts. Those are your old ones from your old track bar. I forget the name of it, but yeah. So let's keep on going. So I thought I was gonna have to remove the, pretty much where like the toe areas are at, but you don't have to remove it. So that's cool. I shouldn't be installing this right now because technically I still haven't finished working on my crankshaft. Well, pulley, yes, the crankshaft pulley is installed, but I need to adjust the alternator pulley because it hits. Either put a smaller pulley. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. Put back the single cam pulley on. But yeah, it pretty much aligns perfectly where the toe sections are at. It's pretty cool, actually. Yeah, so right there, I thought I was gonna have to remove these, but you don't, because it pretty much goes. Yeah, this sits right there perfectly flush. Clears the engine. The only thing I'm worried it might not clear the pulley over there, but we'll see when I install it. So it's installed. Actually, it's nice. Obviously I haven't installed that because I haven't installed the other stuff on the suspension. But everything looks good. Pretty cool. I like it. I thought I was gonna have to cut these, but I mean technically I don't even use them, but yeah. So right now what I'm gonna do is work on the alternator because it hits. The pulley rubs on the bottom, and I'm gonna install a anti-walk belt, little adjuster right here, because apparently these tend to walk, and you can see it is on the bottom. It's walking a little bit, so it's better be safe than sorry later if it falls off. So I won't be able to do the alternator because I have to modify it, and I need a better belt, well, a smaller belt now. And I'm gonna be able to use the single cam one. I just gotta adapt the old. I'm just gonna adapt this to it, and I'll be able to use the single cam alternator. Smaller pulley, But it'll work. But now I'm installing the belt guide, so the anti-walk belt kit. Got it on either Amazon or eBay, but I'll post the the link to it if I find it. That's pretty much it. That's the bracket where it goes. Have to loosen the dipstick. You don't want these to come off. Okay, so I installed it. It was this right here. That's how it goes. 2 bolts here. They're Allen bolts. And over here. That's how it goes. Just guides the belt pretty much right there. Put the link below. And right now I'm going to test fit the alternator with some new belts that I got. That's harder. And that'll be done, man. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe, and see you guys later on the next video, how to tear apart the rear. That's what I'm gonna be doing next, pretty much.